Today is March 21st. I'm going to look at trading the natural gas storage. As you can see here, they recommend a 10 for the bracket distance and a 20 for my initial stop. I have already read through a lot of this information here. It's pretty much just a warning. You guys can read through it here if you want to. And this is the information they give you on the report once you join the program. Basically just let you know that there's going to be 15 to 25 ticks of slippage. Look for 20 to 40 ticks of profit. Anyway, we can come over here and look at the actual chart set up here on natural gas. I wanted to show you guys my strategy, or excuse me, my trailing strategy. You can see I have my 20-point initial stop loss set up. We can go into simple spike. The reason I took away everything from auto break even is because in my testing, for some reason, when I had this set to work, trailing stop oftentimes wouldn't work. So with knowing that, I'm not going to set it up at all. I'm going to use 5 for my trailing stop. 2 is going to be my trigger to enter the trailing stop. So everything is set up properly with that. Have my second chart right here, which I'm going to be setting up right now. They also recommend that you use the entry slippage ticks. I'm not really sure what that's about, but they do have it set up here where you can set it to 15 and then set entry stop limit orders to true. But I'm not gonna worry about that right now. I want to try it just genuinely the way I used to trade it, and perhaps I might make those changes in the future. Anyway, let's change this right here to simple 1. Alright, bracket distance, I'm going to use theirs, and they recommended 10. Even though I typically use 5 as my bracket distance, I'm going to use what they wanted me to. Entry time is going to be 10:29 and 57 seconds. Alright, enable should be true, and we should be good to go. Click apply, click OK. Alright, so we're set up now. We have about 17 minutes to go, so I'll be back with you guys shortly. Alright, we're 1 minute out. As you guys saw, we were in a bit of a uptrend, and now the market has pretty much come back down and cut that gain in half almost. I would have preferred the market to be going sideways, and it's still continuing to push lower. That's not something I want to see. Not something I'm happy about. But I'm going to let it run. Look at this. This is just ridiculous. And it's continuing to push down. I'm hoping. Wow. Okay, so we know.
Pending.
We know what direction
order canceled.
The market is pushing.
Stop filled.
Okay. Looks like we made $180. And if I recall correct, Jesus, let me pull this down even more. Okay, there it is. Alright, if I recall correctly, the purple line is where we got in, blue line is where we got out. And as you can see, let me pull this up. That was a very quick move, and I'm actually proud of the way NinjaTrader got me into that trade, because as you can see here, this was a very quick spike. Spiked down, came back up, and we were able to get filled in this very quick spike down. And then it also took us out. Trailing stop worked as it was supposed to. I believe I used a 5 for my trailing stop. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was a 5, but everything worked the way it was supposed to. Let me see this real quick here. And that's how you come in here to activate the profit and loss on that. Alright, so there's no point in me pressing pause and entering my lines, because obviously you can see right here we got in at 3.949, got out at 3.931, and I actually set this up on Ninja, not on Ninja, but on Infinity as well to see. I use the exact same parameters. You can come into properties. I used a 10, the same way NinjaTrader told me to, and set up my stop loss as 20, distance is 5, trigger of 2. Everything was exactly the same, and you can see here we actually had a loss. It moved too quick for Infinity to really handle that trade, but NinjaTrader did much better. We had less slippage over here, and overall it was just a better trade. So that one's in the bag. Good stuff. I'll end the video here, and we'll see what happens on the next one. I think I have 2 more to go before I open up my live account with Global Futures, so we'll see what happens. Tomorrow is Friday. Let me see if we have any trades tomorrow. Give me 1 second here. It would be nice if I could go ahead and get my 5 trades in this week. That way Monday I could go ahead and open my live account. So I'm going to check. Okay. Actually, tomorrow doesn't have any releases, so it's going to be next week before I'll have an opportunity to get my last 2 trades. Anyway, that's it for now. Hope you guys did well on it. Thank you.